Hello everyone, I'm Jamaica Teodasco and I'm thrilled to be here today to share a bit about myself. Healing from the Philippines, I've always had a passion for exploring creative avenues. Currently, I'm deeply immersed in the world of digital marketing and affiliate partnership with major players like Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada. It's been an exciting journey navigating the ever-evolving landscape of online commerce. But beyond my digital ventures, my heart truly lies in the arts. Whether it's sketching, painting, or graphic design, I find immense joy in expressing myself creativity. Over the years, I've honed my skills in editing and graphic designs, transforming ideas into visually captivating stories. Driven by a relentless desire to innovate and make a meaningful impact, I'm eager to connect with fellow enthusiasts and explore new possibilities together. Thank you for this opportunity to share a glimpse of who I am. Let's embark on this journey together.